know the vibes, man. Y'all want to get the real explicit, natural POV of what be going down when I be spinning? I'm finna give it to y'all boys, man. We go real crazy, man. You feel me? Y'all know they call me Mr. SRT for a reason, man. Hold on, let me put this bit in sport. Let me chill on right now, man. Let me put this bit in sport. Cut the traction off. Y'all want to hold that traction control for 10 seconds. Then that bitch say off. Traction off. Now we can bend some blocks, man. Damn. I was finna try to run a red light.
Boy, we might go stupid.
Nah, but hey, y'all boys, I'm about to take y'all to a roundabout. I'm about to take y'all to a little roundabout. It's like it's a tight spot. I like to spin and I like to do it a little risky. You feel me? I like to play in my car. You feel me? I don't like to do little circles and none of that. Hey, do not try this at home. And mind you, y'all boys, we in Mexico right now.
You feel me? In Mexico.
In Mexico right now.
This is a stunt driver right now.
Yeah, man. These stunts are performed in Mexico, man. But if you're watching this video, I need y'all boys to make sure y'all like the video, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel right now, and turn on post notifications. I know I've been slacking, and I know I keep saying this, bro. I've been slacking, bro. Just call me a slacker, bro. I don't even care. I've been slacking, bro. I've been busy in real life, bro. This 30 days on YouTube, bro, it's hard. It's hard, bro. But right now, I'm in that mode. Hey, and I'm ready to swing this. I'm ready to put it sideways, boy. Y'all about to see.
Yeah, that whole about to go crazy. You got no tread?
If I didn't, fuck it. Just gonna cut me off like that, brother. Passenger with me. You feel me?
Imagine hitting that intersection.
Nah, hell no. They trying to go to jail today, man. I like my freedom. I like my freedom.
I should have put the radar in here.
We don't need no radar, bro.
Nah, cause you could do whatever. You would know when they pulling up.
She got the ski on. She vibing.
Oh no, she on timing.
She got the ski on, bitch.
She with it. She with it.
She vibing, bitch. She vibing, bitch. Y'all see that? Look. I wonder what she listening to, bitch.
She definitely shooting her.
I'm trying to hear what she listening to, bitch. She got that shit turned to the roof, bitch. All stunts are performed in Mexico.
First? Second?
We always be in second, bro. We always in second, bro. We gotta let that car go.
Now tell them how to do it. Do you pat or do you hold that bit?
Only one way to find out, bitch. Only one way to find out, bitch. One way to find out, bitch. perfect timing. It's a car behind me. I had to make a little lap real quick. Now we lost him. Patient when y'all doing stuff like this. You feel me? We not doing no type of crimes though, you feel me? I'm just being a kid, you know?
Yeah.
Hold on. Should we wait it out with him?
Yeah.
Somebody just got out the car. Somebody walking in that gate. We look green.
I see another one.
Do y'all see this roundabout right here? Oh my God.
The adrenaline different.
Oh my God.
Who got the wheel though?
I ain't gonna lie, bro.
This nigga got the wheel.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. When you doing stuff like that, bro, like, you feel me? Like,
He said, I'm gonna take over the world. I feel like Batman.
Like, it get a little intense, you feel me? Like, I'm on a curb, I'm going from curb to curb. Then I gotta figure out how I gotta stay equal distance from the curb so I don't hit the curb. Then, man, like, they don't call me, they call me Mr. SRT for a reason, man. I do this for real. Not for fake, bro. For real. And only if y'all seen the outside view. We don't even know what it looked like on the outside, bro. We not even outside. But every time I look at my outside videos, bro, it look crazy.
Oh, I should've went out. Should've done another round.
Hell no. Hell no. Once you do something like that, man, you gotta shake the spot, man. Nah, but we still, like, we in Mexico though, so like, in Mexico, when we do stuff like that, you just gotta move around, you feel me? Cause like I don't like to be seen by multiple people, you know? This one sound crazy. That bitch sound, woo, you feel me? Oh, you know what I need to go do? I need to go get the reindeer things for the window.
Oh yeah?
Like before Christmas.
The wrap is tan too.
Facts, I need
You know what I'm saying?
I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna get my red cats get put on Thursday.
Oh, I better be tough.
My red cats get put on the side Thursday. And then, yeah, that's it. I should have put like a red Santa Claus or something, but I don't even celebrate Christmas, so no. I'm not even gonna waste my time with that bit. But I do want the reindeers though, bit.
You know what'd be funny?
What?
You put a Santa Claus suit on and make a sliding video
Smart
with the
idea.
reindeer.
Smart
The real.
Smart idea. Wait, what? Ho, ho, ho! Your one and only. Santa Claus put a Hellcat on the tree for me last year though. He put on the tree last year.
Yeah.
And this year, shit, they need to put a demon under that bit. If you don't put one under there though, like next year, like next Christmas, it should be a demon. It probably would be a demon.
Demon 170.
Yeah, demon 170. Who knows, man? Hellcat's getting boring. Time to switch it up, man. I done did everything you could do in a Hellcat. Like, there's not nothing you can tell me that I haven't done. I done everything.
You ever raced in reverse?
Oh.
Nah.
See, now you tweaking. Racing in reverse?
You said everything.
How fast you think I could go in reverse?
Decently fast. I don't know. I went pretty fast in mine. I ain't gonna hold it.
Reverse racing?
Yeah. I used to mess with people.
If I was side to side with somebody trying to race backwards, we're more than likely gonna swerve and wreck.
Big cat.
Yeah, you heard that?
Imagine a flame tool here. Or some headers.
You that bit popping?
Yeah.
Everybody be like, what you got done to your cat? Nothing. Nothing. Oh, that's it for today's video, man. If y'all like the video, make sure I hit that like button and subscribe button. If y'all want to see more POVs of me spinning, let me know, man. Cause I'm trying to, I'm ready all times of the day, you feel me? I'm ready to put this bit sideways. You feel me? Y'all see the video. Y'all see I got that wheel. I'm really like that for real. They need to put me in what is a Horizon? You know the game?
Forza Horizon?
Oh yeah, that shit. I heard of it.
Nah, Dodge need to sponsor him, make him the
I heard
the
of
drifter.
it. I heard of it, but you feel me? I know it's a drifting game. That's all I know. But we're gonna end this video off right here. I need y'all boys make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at Mari Blends. Hey, make sure y'all follow my cameraman too.
Yeah.
30 days straight, I ain't sleep from 2 to 3.
Catch you on the next vlog.